it is possible to permanently remove the ability to use spaces in a 48-space electrical panel that has more spaces than needed, rendering the panel compliant with the original design specifications. Eaton manufactures a device called a panel space filler, or PSF, specifically designed for this purpose. These fillers physically block the designated spaces, preventing the installation of circuit breakers. The process involves several steps to ensure both safety and compliance. Firstly, obtain the appropriate number of Eaton Panel Space Fillers. These are typically available from Eaton or an authorized distributor in packs of 6. Make sure to acquire enough to fill all the unwanted spaces, in this case, 6 fillers for spaces 43 through 48. Secondly, and most importantly, power down the electrical panel completely by turning off the main breaker. This is a crucial safety step to prevent any electrical shock or hazard during the installation process. Thirdly, with the panel de-energized, carefully remove the cover from the panel. This will expose the internal components and allow access to the spaces that need to be blocked off. Fourthly, identify and locate the specific spaces that you want to remove from use, in this case spaces 43 through 48. These spaces are where the panel space fillers will be installed. Fifthly, install the panel space fillers into the designated spaces. PSF are designed to fit into the panel board space similar to a standard circuit breaker. They securely clip into place, but unlike circuit breakers, they do not have any electrical connections. Sixthly, once the PSF are properly seated, tighten them into place. This ensures that they are securely fastened and cannot be easily removed. Seventhly, after all the panel space fillers have been installed and tightened, reinstall the panel cover. Make sure it is properly aligned and securely fastened. Eighthly, with the panel cover back in place, power up the panel by turning on the main breaker. The installation is now complete, and spaces 43 through 48 are permanently blocked off, preventing the installation of circuit breakers. There are several benefits to using panel space fillers. Firstly, compliance with electrical codes. By permanently removing unused spaces, you ensure that the panel is compliant with electrical codes. Many jurisdictions require all unused spaces in electrical panels to be covered or blocked off to prevent accidental or unauthorized use. Secondly, panel space fillers prevent accidental circuit installation. By physically blocking off the spaces, they prevent anyone from accidentally installing circuit breakers in unused spaces. This reduces the risk of electrical hazards such as overloading circuits or creating unsafe wiring conditions. Thirdly, panel space fillers improve panel organization. Filling unused spaces with PSF makes the panel appear more organized and less cluttered. This can make it easier to identify and access the active circuits in the panel and simplifies future maintenance or modifications. In summary, using Eaton Panel Space Fillers is an effective way to permanently remove the ability to use specific spaces in an electrical panel. This practice ensures compliance with electrical codes, prevents accidental circuit installation, and improves overall panel organization. Always remember to prioritize safety by powering down the panel before performing any work and consulting with a qualified electrician if you have any doubts or concerns.